Here I have ARCHOS Diamond Gamma, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off, so hold down power key for a few seconds. And after your device turns off completely, you have to hold down combination power key and volume down for a few seconds. And you will enter boot mode after this. You can navigate through the boot mode using volume keys. The options will be displayed here. And you have these options like recovery mode, power off, start, restart bootloader, and recovery mode. And that's it. If you want to exit boot mode, you can select start option to restart your device, and you can select a power off option if you want to just turn it off. Let's restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.